Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's a single crochet mesh stitch, and the front looks like this and the back looks the same, so there's no right or wrong side. And we made the first row in the back loops of the chains, so this is what I want to show you, and let's get started. Okay, so I have my crochet hook 4mm and my yarn. First we are making a slip stitch, and then we are chaining an even number of chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now we are skipping the first chain and the next chain, but in the back loops we are making a single crochet. In this first row we are making single crochets all in the back loops. Now chain 1, skip this stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. And this is what you want to repeat for this row. So chain 1, skip a stitch, and in the next stitch, all in the back loops, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. So this is row 1. Now we are going to row 2, and that's a 1 row repeat. So row 2 you have to repeat for the rest of your work. Chain 1, turn your work. In that first stitch, that was the last single crochet of your previous row, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, that was the chain 1 of your previous row, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. So in every single crochet of your previous row you are making a single crochet. So chain 1, skip a stitch, that was the chain 1 from your previous row, and in the next stitch, that was a single crochet of your previous row, make a single crochet. This is how you continue this row. Chain 1, skip a stitch, in the next stitch a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, in the next stitch a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and now I'm at the end of this row. In the last single crochet make a single crochet. So it's a very easy stitch to make. So chain 1, turn your work, in that first stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, in the next stitch a single crochet. Continue this until you are at the end. And then just repeat row 2. So this is how you make the single crochet mesh stitch. I hope you liked it, and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below this video. I'm curious what you are making with this stitch, and I hope to make another video very soon. If you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on a notification so you get a message when I have a new video uploaded. And for now, just happy crocheting. Bye bye.